Listen closely, because the way things are now isn't working. Social enterprises grind their wheels, passion burning out on endless roadblocks. Investors toss money into what feels like a black hole. Founders, they're drowning in a mess of wasted resources and half-baked solutions that crash before real change happens. And the frustration? It's real. The system tells you what to do, sets the rules, but those rules only protect old interests. You're made to believe sustainability means just less bad, not better. And that's the problem. The system's setup blocks real impact, cloaking destruction in a green veil while the planet and people suffer. But here's the thing. No one's shouting loud enough. Circular economy isn't just some buzzword or trendy label. It's the tool your social enterprise has to grab and run with if you want to break that cycle of frustration. It messes with the old way because it flips the idea that resources are infinite on its head. Waste, disposable goods, done. Instead, it demands you think in loops. Products designed to last, to be fixed, reused, rebuilt, not tossed. And as a founder or investor, you need to stop seeing this as nice to have and start treating it as your battlefield weapon if you care about impact that sticks. Now here's where most mess up. They try to apply circularity like a marketing patch, a green sticker slapped on toxic habits. That's bullshit. Circular economy asks you to rethink your entire model, your supply chains, your partnerships. It means pushing beyond quick wins and forcing your enterprise to carry responsibility for the entire life of what it creates. That's scary because it's messy and it's hard, but stop avoiding it. This is your leverage. You want clear advice? Build your social enterprise around real circular loops. Don't source cheap throwaway materials. Insist on suppliers who rebuild or remanufacture. Create incentives for your customers to return goods. Integrate repair and reuse programs right into your core. Make waste a design flaw that simply can't happen. And investors, stop funding greenwashed nonsense. You have the power to drive real behavior change by backing founders who embed circularity in their DNA. Ask them the hard questions. Demand data on life cycle impacts, not just splashy statements. Push for transparency and iterative improvements. If you aren't pushing for this, you're just pouring capital into the same toxic cycle, and you know it. Professionals and leaders, your job is to bust silos and create the connections that social enterprises rely on to scale circular solutions. Forget shallow collaborations that recycle the same useless ideas. Find the partners who bring different skills and perspectives, who can help close loops that nobody sees yet. Share your failures as loudly as your wins, because messiness is part of becoming better. Hold each other accountable. Circularity is not a trend, it's a commitment. It demands constant learning, adaptation, brutal honesty. Don't settle for systems that serve the few over the many. Don't let the old economy dictate how you define social good. The truth is this: circular economy is messy, difficult, and it pushes you out of your comfort zone. But it is also the only way your social enterprise can grow with real impact, not just empty promises. It's about beating waste with design, replacing destruction with renewal, and forcing profit to serve purpose, not the other way around. If you want to play small, stay stuck in old patterns. But if you want to lead, to invest, to build something that actually shifts reality for good, then circular economy isn't optional. It's the battlefield where social enterprises win or die. So start treating it like that. Don't just talk sustainability. Live it, design it, measure it, demand it. Don't take shortcuts. Get uncomfortable. Make everyone uncomfortable. Because the world won't wait, and neither should you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.